They're back! Yo!
Get on bed, boys. You're making Daddy angry.
I left an extremely dangerous weapon still outside.
I'm gonna die of virgin! It's raping time.
Close it!
Sorry. I really enjoyed our time together.
I'm sorry, what'd you just say?
Sneaking out to make out with my boyfriend that I definitely have?
What have you done? Uzi, you are a murder drone?
Now is so not the time.
Oh well, nothing lasts forever.
We'll make top team this quarter for sure. You know what that means.
Thanks, Jay. You're awesome.
My planet needs me.
I'm sorry. I made you have an awkward moment watching me, Jay.
We found our evacuation spot. But if we
WTF?
Hey! Huh? Put that conventionally attractive male, that makes my sense, that down.
Jay, you're pay. What did you just fucking say to me?
This is awkward.
Uzi! I'm so sorry. Have fun repressing this.
Why are you like this?
Your edgy spirit is just so painful.
Fuck!
One more buzzword and I'll do it. Benefits? Let's go, Ann. Everyone here can bite my ass.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Uzi.
Shut your fucking trap.
I join you. Didn't me.
Just can't wait to this way to be this over. Thirsting pretty the all with. I said to speak all can't taste right can't still just the series.